How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you this. How to install custom watch faces on your Apple Watch. And when I say custom, I do mean custom, because as you can see, I'm rocking here a beautiful Gégé Lecoultre watch face. I just love this one. It's beautiful and it's fully functional. Like all the watch faces I will show you, all of them are fully functional. So as you can see, the second hand does move. And also we have a date here, which is today's date, the 22nd. So it's perfect. And of course you can get other brands as well, not only this one. So you can go ahead here on the watch and tap here an option, see your full list. And we have Patek Philippe here. Those are the ones that I have manually downloaded, which I'll show you how to do all of that in a second. So you don't even need your iPhone. For example, let me get this Hermès, which I also love. And then in just a few seconds, as you can see, it will change. This one is a little bit dark, is a little bit dim, but you get the idea. This one is also very, very beautiful. So as you saw, you can get any brand that you want, like Hermès, Gégé Lecoultre, Lacoste. You can get, for example, Rolex, G-Shock, Gucci, anything that you want. Another thing that I love about this method is that you can literally have it as your main watch face. So you can set here on your settings, so then it is always show, so it's always on. So then even if you try to leave the application, it'll go back. So if you get notifications, if you are trying to get you any application or something, it'll always go back like instantly to the watch face that you actually want, to your custom watch face. This is truly amazing. It's the best way to have a custom native experience watch face on your Apple Watch. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna do the process from the start, step by step, so you can follow me and have everything working on your Apple Watch. All right. As you can see, we will need our iPhone for this first setup part, but only now. Then you don't need your iPhone anymore. As you saw, you can do everything straight from your Apple Watch. All right. So all you gotta do is grab your iPhone, go to the App Store. It's super simple, guys. Then go to search. And then you're going to search for this website, which is called Jing Motion. All right, Jing Motion, all one word. I'll have the link in the description, the name on the screen, everything that you need. All right. And as you can see, that's the only one. It's a free application. We are seeing here the little iCloud icon just because I have previously downloaded it and installed to show you guys. And because I use this for many, many years, but it's a free download, all right? Trust me. So you go ahead here and download. It's a very short download. It's a very simple and light application. And Jing Motion is right here. And before we do anything, just make sure that Jing Motion is also on your Apple Watch. To do that, all you gotta do is go ahead and go to your watch app, scroll down, and then you'll see installed on Apple Watch, all right? And then just look for Jing Motion. As you guys can see, it's right here. By default, it will automatically download on your Apple Watch. As you just saw, it just automatically downloads. But if for some reason it isn't on this list, Jing Motion should be right below on a second section, in a second category, saying not on Apple Watch. So you can manually install it. All right. So it's important that you have the application on the Apple Watch. Otherwise, naturally, it won't work. Okay. So now that you have the application on your iPhone and on your Apple Watch, we can move forward. So we can tap on Jing Motion to open it up, and you can actually start using it. So it's asking for your motion and fitness activity. You can hit OK. You can turn on and you can allow. If you feel a little bit uneasy about this, don't worry. As you know, iOS uses Sandbox, so there's no way anything or any application can actually hack into your iPhone, get your information or anything other than what iOS will actually let it together. So you can be really calm and relaxed about this. All right. So as you can see here, we can already see watch faces, all right here on our first face store. You can see this is like an app store, but instead of applications, what they sell or what you can actually download for free is actually faces. Okay, so all you have to do now is go to your personal, which is like your profile. Okay, tap here in personal, let it load, And here you will have to put your username and password. If you don't have one, if it's the first time, you can click to sign up. I already have one because, as I said, I'm a Geekmotion user for many years. Okay, so I already have that. So I'll just type in my username and my password, and I'll be back as soon as that's done. So after you log in, you'll have here your profile page, and it's important that you log in because you actually have all your faces saved. So then here are all my faces that I have previously downloaded and everything like that. So it's important to have your login, your account, just so you don't lose all your faces if you delete the app or something like that. Okay, so now that you actually have your account, you can actually start downloading, and you can do this straight from the application. That's why I love Geekmotion, which is a part of GeekWatch, just because you can do everything here from the watch, unlike Clockology that you need to download from another source and then import and then sync. No, this is the best way. It has been the best way since 2 years ago. It's just hands down the best way to do it. All right, so now that you're here on Face Store, you can actually get started, and all you have to do is just search for whatever you want. So you can go here on search, and let's say you are a Rolex fan. You go to Rolex, you search, and then as you can see, you will have a ton of different Rolex options. Or maybe you want to search for Gucci. Let's say you're a Gucci fan. So you search for Gucci, and then you have a ton of options as well. I really like this one in particular, so you can go ahead and keep scrolling and keep looking. So as you can see, most of the cool ones will be paid, unfortunately. So as you can see here, you have some credits. So this one we cost $3, this one will cost $3, this one will cost $3.99, but it's not $3.99, it's 3 credits. And the way it works is really easy. I'll show you how the credit system works, and then I'll show you how to get free ones. Okay, so you can go back again, go to personal, and as you guys can see, I have like 1 credit, and that's because I have already used it quite a lot. So you can actually go ahead here and recharge. So tap on recharge, and then you can use your payment method of preference. So for example, PayPal, you can use it, and then it's all done safely via PayPal. And as you can see, $1 means 5 credits. So it's pretty cheap, you know. With $1, you can get a few of those, or maybe 2, or maybe 3, depending on the one you want. The coolest ones are more expensive, but of course you have cheaper ones as well. All right, I'll just put here in do not disturb mode. All right, so there we have it. You have the ability to buy using PayPal, which is super safe. So let's get back here because I'll show you how to get free ones, because I'm sure you want to get free ones as well. So go back to the Face Store, and then you just type free. So just type free, and then it'll show you a lot of free options. Of course, you can also search for specific brands, specific watch faces, and look for free ones. Okay, one that I really like is free is this one. It's a Supreme one. So Supreme, and then as you can see, this one is really nice, and as you can see, 0. So it's actually free, and I really love this one. So now let me show you how the download and install process actually works. I'll not do on this one because I already have it, so I'll do in another one. So let's go for free again, and then anything. This Rolex original. Okay, so it's a Rolex. I know it's not the best looking, but it's free and it's from Rolex, so I like that. So you can add to my faces. As you can see, it's free, so add to my faces. Okay, and then as you can see, you can tap on my faces, succeeded, and it's right here. So some of those faces that I have are free and some of those are paid, but let's use the example of this Rolex original. All I gotta do now is get my Apple Watch. Okay, open up the app. So look for the app right here, Geekmotion, tap on the app. And as you guys can see, the app will look like this for the first time you open it up. It's very dark for some reason, but as you guys can see, it's like a motion tracking application. That's why Geekmotion. And then all you gotta do is make sure the screen is on if you wanna do this pairing process for the first time. So you tap on a face, send to watch, make sure the screen is on. And as you guys can see, there we go. We have the Rolex one. Again, This one is pretty dim for some reason. Some of them are. And now you don't need the iPhone anymore. As I said, you can manage everything here from the watch. So you can simply, for example, tap and hold, go to my watch, and then you'll see a list of all your faces. So then you can easily, let's get that first one that we got in the intro. There we have it instantly. I just love this one. This one is so pretty. And if you tap and hold, you can go to my watch again. Let me show you that Supreme one that I showed you that's free. So Supreme Red. As I said, I already had it. So there you go. Free, very cool, very good looking. And that's all you need. If you want to do that thing that actually every time you exit the app, it pops down, it pops back up. All you have to do is go to Jing Motion, tap and hold, more, always show. So then you can go back, and then you always have this screen. Doesn't matter what you do, you can exit, you can try to go to another app, it goes back instantly. You can turn off the screen. As you tap on it, it'll go back to this screen. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video on how to install custom watch faces on your Apple Watch the best way. Again, this video is super updated. I'm in 2021. I'm using an Apple Watch Series 6 and everything is working perfectly. All right, so that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button down below, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button somewhere down on your screen and the little bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new nice awesome video like that. I post 2 videos a week, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. All right, so that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back in a few days as usual. Bye bye.